The next song we're singing is from God's Word. It's found in the book of 1 Corinthians chapter 13, and it's considered the love chapter. And God tells us something, what love is and what love is not. So we've been learning. It's one thing to learn the words, it's another thing to put it into practice. So this is something we can all work on. All right, love is patient, love is kind, love is a treasure. Here we go.
Thank you for joining us at Send Treasure Island, where we followed the map to unearth a priceless treasure.